We never surrender in front of terrorists. We win or die our motherland Arkan. We win or die for our motherland Arkan. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Wal aqibatu lil muttaqin. Wassalatu wassalamu ala imamil mujahidin sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Wa ala alihi wa ashabil ladzina qatalu wa qatalu wa qutilu li'ala'i kalimatillah amma ba'd. Our honorable scholar and teacher, beloved student of the members, and respectful brother and sister. Today our topic is about jihad in Arkan. Our holy prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam in the last prophet of Allah. Because in a holy hadith, our holy prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam say, I am the last prophet, there will be no prophet after me. In a holy hadith, Allah said to Hazrat Adam alayhi salatu wasalam about our holy prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, I Muhammad will not be created, you also not be created. However, when our holy prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam start preaching Islam in Mecca, that there is no God but Allah who is universe and creator. The some people of Mecca accept Islam very slowly, but many people of Mecca indeed become same of our holy prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and his follower. They create all sort of trouble our holy prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and his followers. Our holy at the last, our prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and his follower immigrated to the Medina due to order of Allah. Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and his followers immigration after 2 years start jihad with unbeliever Makkah. Allah say about jihad in Holy Quran, وَاقْتُلُوهُمْ حَيْثُ سَكِفْتُمُوهُمْ وَأَخْرِجُوهُمْ مِنْ حَيْثُ أَخْرَجُوكُمْ. Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam say about jihad in Holy Hadith, Al-jihadu mazin ila yawm al-qiyamah. However, our holy prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and his followers spent all life for jihad. We are also followers of holy prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. We must spend our life for jihad. This is also order of Allah. So that we must spend our life for to take our motherland Arkan from terrorist AA. Because we have no other option to take our right and to stand in monograms and system of Islam in Arkan without jihad. Terrorists AA and Myanmar military abandoned our houses and madrasa and mosque. They killed our mother and sister and brother, doctor, by the gun and by the drum. They dropped our mosque and madrasa, our houses. They took away our civilization from us. They took away our motherland Arkan from us. They took away our doctor and sister from us. They took away our system of Islam from us. They rape our small sister and doctor. We are compulsively immigrated to the Bangladesh and another country by the terrorist AA and Myanmar government military from Arkan. So that we must do jihad in Arkan. This is right time to do jihad in Arkan. At the last, I request to all Mujahideen group to be unit and together do jihad in Arkan. If our determination to get Jannah, why you do not be unit? We never surrender in front of terrorists. We win or die our motherland Arkan. We win or die for our motherland Arkan.